We have Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission joining us again this morning. Happy to have you as always. Good morning, Charlene.
Good morning.
And so we are making some more comfort food in this recipe. This delicious looking cornbread is going to compare perfectly with last week's recipe as well.
That's right. And I wanted to mention that calico bean recipe that we did last week is in our soy foods guide. And we've been offering it. It's free. It's 30-some pages of recipes and soy information. So when you ask for a call for the recipes this month, you'll get all the January recipes plus the soy foods guide.
Fantastic.
So when they said a calico bean recipe and serve it with cornbread, I thought, how about a calico cornbread recipe?
Ooh, can't go wrong with that.
I love it. It is 1 cup of cornmeal, and then we have 1 cup of soy flour blend. And the soy flour blend is 7 cups of all-purpose flour mixed with 1 cup of soy flour. Mix that together, put it in your flour canister, and you can bake with anything. Okay, to this, you're going to add some sugar and baking powder and salt. And I'm going to start stirring this. Yeah, great. Okay, wonderful. I'll mix this up. Great. And while I'm doing that, we'll go ahead and I'll let you add this. Cheese. It's a 1/2 cup of grated cheddar cheese. You could use whatever kind of cheese you want. And then here I have 1/4 cup of green onion, 1/4 cup of cooked chopped bacon, and 1/4 cup of red bell pepper.
Great colors.
Adds that color to it. And then if you wanted to add some jalapeno in there, if you liked the spiciness, you could do that. So while I'm mixing this, you have our creamed corn that's in here. And then I've already put the egg in there. You're going to add the soy milk, and that's 1 cup, and then 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And the vegetable oil, we've said that many times, but that is another soy ingredient. If you are purchasing vegetable oil, the only ingredient in there is soybeans.
Yes.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Now, if you've mixed that, you'll just pour that in here. And this is, guys, these type of recipes add so much for a hot meal. You've got the baked beans that we did in the slow cooker, and add a hot bread with it, and oh boy, that is ready for the next snowstorm, right?
I know, right?
So just mix this until we don't see any dry ingredients. We're going to put this in an 8-inch greased pan. It bakes at 400 for about 30 minutes. Test it with a wooden pick. Make sure it's done. And you have a hot meal ready to go.
Fantastic. Well, it looks delicious. And Charlene, if people want to find out where they can get this recipe, where can they do so?
They should go to our website at kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll mail them the Soy Foods Guide and all the January recipes.
Fantastic. Well, you certainly want to do that. Thanks so much, as always, Charlene. Stick around. We'll be right back.